We chose Raise because we needed something reliable that we could keep running all the time and needed minimal upkeep and had a very large build volume, and there were really no other printers that we had used that had all of those qualities in one.
With the Raise 3D, obviously a bigger build space, faster, and also a higher resolution. We're able to actually, for the most part, take some of the parts that we've done for the big life-size statues, print them, take them to the back, clean them up, and do our regular finishing on them. And you really can't tell the difference between that and the parts that we actually farm out to the big printing companies.
I picked the Raise 3D printer really for 3 reasons. The machine was easy to use, and I saw that the price point made it possible for me to buy enough of them, and I'm looking at definitely buying the next level 3D printer from Raise 3D for this facility.
My Raise 3D printer has allowed me to give my patients the absolute highest quality of care in a minimally invasive fashion, and my patients really appreciate that.